put your arm out until you can't like. So if you put your arm out all the way, see you can't. Your arm's not fully extended. So just like right there. So then put your put that hand on the opposite shoulder. So this shoulder right there, and then like swing really hard. If your controller disconnects, that's kind of what you want. So on the opposite shoulder and swing across until it gets to your other shoulder. So this shoulder, swing across. So here. Alright, are you recording? Because I want to put... Alright, so like... I can tag from back here, you don't believe me? Alright. I've been playing Gorilla Tag for 2... Here, I'll give you some proof I've been playing Gorilla Tag for a while. That means you've been playing... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there you go. Bro, you wanna know my first ever outfit, bro? It's like the cringiest crap ever. This one was my first ever main outfit, and I had it for like so long. I switched to bunny ears. And now I'm gonna, you know the wings? Well, you know the wings from the cloud update? You know the wings from the clouds update? You know the wings from the clouds? Those are the ones that I want because I'm a tryhard. And, yeah. Yeah, the wings right here. I do have...
I'm pretty sure those were in the launch update. I don't know.
Those were not in the launch, those were in the clouds. The launch
I wasn't
update was
here when
basically
clouds
the
got
clouds.
made. What?
I do
go see.
not have that many. Not that. 800.
6,100.
Or he spent money on his mom's credit card. Options.
No, I just save up and I only buy
I'm gonna go
one
get
thing every
11,000
update.
shiny rocks. Hold on.
I only buy one thing every update, and I save up a lot.
Yeah, look. Oh, that's $40. I may go for the $20 one. No, I'm not gonna buy anything. I already bought something. So, you wanna go get one more person? I'll just be in here float running my butt off. Here, wait, hold on, tag me real quick. Tag. You can't tag from that far. If you can't send your arm this far, you cannot tag from that far. I've been flick tagging since I basically started. My friend taught me flick tagging. I started on the first ever summer update, okay? I've been playing for a decent. What's up, big boy? I'm gonna be what the fuck? What the heck?
Okay.
What's up?
How many shiny rocks do you even have?
3,200.
FVR?
Yes, I'll be happy to shiny rocks.
Oh, I'm in the video. YouTube.
We have a new FE. It's the best.
Yeah,
Wow.
this.
Man, I haven't seen this place in
Hi guys.
Holy crap, Connor,
No.
there's weed in the shop.
Unless you give me
Hello.
500
Hello.
There is
Hello.
weed
Hello.
in the shop.
There's what?
Does it say nothing?
Mother!
Yeah.
Mother! Fuck you,
I'm
Jim.
gonna 1v1.
That's 4.
Let me know if I'm turning.
What
I
you
said
say?
that I've never actually heard of dyslexia
Yo, Blue.
because
No.
I don't really
Guys, can
into
someone know how to do
that type of
Okay,
Yes, you are.
Your name's Blue.
No, I'm not.
So I know.
I'm gray.
Um,
This man's blue.
Blue.
yeah.
Huh?
It's reading and writing
Blind.
and learning
Mr.
disability,
Grayman.
pretty much. It could
That's
be.
like, I think my brothers have that actually, because like they are like really bad at their spelling test, and like tests
Okay.
and all. I heard my
Yes,
friend
I
say
am.
that my
Blue.
middle brother
This is gray.
got
That's
4
gray.
and 12
That's gray.
on his
That's
Why is
gray.
your name Blue?
Stupid, I'm black.
It doesn't really say-
1980s.
Need that shit again, mate. I'm on the hunt for him. I'm on the hunt for some Cracker Jacks.
No.
Sure.
Oh shit.
I'm your man.
How do you spell it?
MIXED. So what exactly is this video for?
Shoot, no.
Okay.
Okay, I don't think my skills are skilling.
Yeah, we got somebody. If he's
Hello.
good, he's gay. Oh, you're not good.
I'm gay.
Uh-oh.
What? Honestly, I really don't care. I got raisin.
I'm gonna outrun the whole lobby.
Ooh, the cane sauce. Wait for me. Where did you guys go?
4.
Don't leave me here all alone.
It says 4. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, I'm one bear.
It's
Yo, wait, hold on,
it's
hold on, chill.
it's a natural.
Yeah,
Last
I'm dog
Starbucks.
shit at this game.
Don't tag me. I said, okay, Starbucks, go away. Oh, bet you can't make it
Y'all,
up to
I
here.
gotta eat my raisin canes. Don't mind me.
Mine?
Because
Oh, this?
my arm long. I don't know. I am playing on PC, but I'm not using long arms. There's a type of controller called the Valve Index, and if you hold
Yeah, I
it
have it.
correctly, your arms
can't
can be
use
like
it, though.
70 feet long. You are not tagging. How did you get in?
I'm back. Sorry, I just trying to
On
cane
your
sauce.
way, being not.
I'm back. Wait. Ow.
Me,
I
I'm
never
in.
had raisin canes.
Bro, I'm gonna one hand run on you. What do you want to bet? I'm gonna one hand run. Don't make me.
Hey, wait. I have a question for you.
My controller!
Do you like raisin canes?
My controller disconnected.
Do you like the cane sauce? The cane sauce is sour. I don't like it.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Well, it wasn't even me who were tagged to you, so.
Die!
Oh shit, what
I
happened?
don't even-
Hey!
Alright, guys. City.
Are we playing
Go to
mini
city.
games? What's the
We're gonna
first
play
mini
mini
game?
games.
I don't know how to play
Oh,
that.
they got the mini game. Alright.
Go cry about it. So I'm cooked. So I'm literally cooked in every way.
Oh crap. That's not. Wait. I can't vertical and touch the. Oh. I'm freaking enter.
Does anybody here like the cane sauce?
Wait, what if I make you kiss this?
What do you mean by that?
They don't got long enough arms. Look, your arm just goes
Yeah.
through it.
What?
Now try to like literally.
Jesus. No, he's not coming on.
Exactly. Wait, hold on. Can I do this? Can I do that?
Are you guys on top of the tree?
Oh.
house?
Wait,
No,
hold on.
we're
Wait,
in
hold on.
city.
Wait, hold on. Can I do this? Can I do this? Can I do this? Sir, can I do this? Is this legal? Can I do this? Can I do this?
No.
I remember you tried. You were terrible at it. Look,
Shut up.
bro. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Can you guys like? Wait, what if I like? Wait, what if I get someone to float run? Does that count? Float run. Come here. Ready? Oh. Like that. You just move your arms.
He has steam.
Wait, hold on. I can't do it. Speed boost is it's too hard. You're doing it. Watch this. Boom. Lock
I'm
control
raising
disconnected. No, it's not the reason that I'm using Steam. We're all stuck on 90 hertz. Besides, I play on 120. Come here. I use Steam Link, so I'm like I look a little weird. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna turn my like arm length down, like to literally, or up all the way, like high as I can. All right, ready? Yeah. I can't touch. My arm is through the ground right now. I can't touch it. I can't touch it. Help. I can't touch it. I can't. That's not. No,
Turn
it has to be on Steam.
Turn it all the way down.
All the way down? He's not
No,
on Steam, I'm pretty sure. Bro. Wait, hold on. You have to have a PC.
Plus, it's $20 on Steam now because too many people
Yeah,
are
it's
using
$20.
mods.
I got it before it was. But wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. All the way up? All the way down?
All the way down.
Like this?
Daisy, give me your answer.
Daisy! Wait, hold on. What do I look like? Oh, God.
It's the Sio 09.
Decile 9. Nah, I'm Banshee. Yo, here's one thing. Here, let me turn my arm length down. Normal. Alright. This is my normal arm length. Look, see, my arms aren't going through each other.
I'm just a little monster in your bed. Don't mind me.
No, okay, tag me. I want to see what I look like in the mirror. Here, tag me. I want to see what I look like when I float run. What the heck? Bro, when I normally run, I look
Hey!
like that. When I normally run, I'm like,
No!
this is what I look like when I like do my fastest run in the world. When I do the fastest run in the world, this is what I look like.
Hey!
No joke. I look like.
What are you doing?
Yo, watch this.
Tagged.
Wait, hold on. Come to double walls. I want to show you something. Come to double walls.
Wait, we're by.
Double walls is the 2 wooden walls. Alright, you want to? No, watch. Ready? Easy. Wait, hold on. Wait, you can pinch climb? Turn off your speed boost. Like, give it to him. Give your speed boost to him. Tag him. Alright, I want you to get ready for a pinch climb. Like, do this. And I'm gonna get ready for an elevator. And,
Hello?
hey, can you count down? Like, say 3, 2, 1, go. And then whoever makes it first.
Three,
Alright, ready?
2, 1, go.
Made it.
I think Pig did it.
Hi.
Pig did it.
Like 5 minutes. About 10 minutes.
I want to race Pig now.
Alright, yeah, you have to turn off speed boost because No, I bet I can beat him.
Where are you?
No, I bet I can beat you. No, you can keep speed boost on. I bet I can beat you.
Oh.
speed boost.
I bet you can.
That's fast.
Tag
I don't,
me.
bro, I'm too tired for that. I don't know. All right, just get ready to pinch climb. You're gonna count down, okay? Wait, hold on. I gotta get on the same wall as him so I know it's not cheating. All right. Count down.
What do you want? I didn't like this song.
Okay, so basically my motion is this arm's going like this, straight up, and my other arm's pushing down with it. So once this one goes down, I have my other one go up. So I'm just beating. All right.
You trying to raise me?
All right, tag me. No speed boost.
No. Don't eat my
No speed
chicken.
boost.
Get away
So,
from my chicken.
are you gonna elevator? All right. So here, let me just
Three.
go up real quick. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
I started without you saying go, and then I fell.
Ugh. Wait.
No.
Oh, there you go.
I fell. I want more chicken.
Yeah. Sometimes, normally, like if I had really good controllers, like the pro controllers, I could still flick tag you from a decent amount. You want to know my farthest flick tag? All right, come here. I can't do it right now. I couldn't. So tag me. It was all right. So I was about like right here, and the guy was about right here, about to jump. So he was about like that, and he was like in midair. So he was like that high. I tagged him all the way from over here. I couldn't do that now. The farthest I could tag now is like right here. Like, can't even do it now. No, don't get closer. Hold on. Flick from, like, if I'm chasing somebody and I'm on ground, I could flick from a mile away. Oh, frick. Okay. I'm just gonna. Okay, guys, I'll join back. I'll be off Steam, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna join back. I'm gonna add you on Oculus. I forgot my Oculus. So, I'll be right back. Hold on. I gotta go get him on. Hold on. I'll be right back.
I'm still here. I'm just eating my chicken. Chicken. Do you like chicken? How much do you like chicken? Don't get me dirty. Roll up on me.
Hello?
Hey, where did you
Hello?
go?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Can you guys hear me?
No, I can't hear you.
Yeah, unfortunately. Oh, I can run fast. I remember when I did this. This was like a week ago I was on this.
That's a common lag.
Wait, hold on. Let me see if I can still flick tag. Hold on. Get down here. Get down here. Get down here!
Me? Big boy!
Come here. Come
Wait.
here. You are gonna be my test subject. Can I still float? No. Alright, hold on. Let me see.
Dang it, sorry. Don't worry, I'll punch you in the face. Don't worry, I'll punch you in the face.
Okay, so here, let me see if I can. Well,
Bear,
not anymore.
what do you
See you
want?
later. I'm still the same good. but I'm a little bit better. Aw. Yet speed boost. No.
Don't tag me. I'm just a baby monkey. No. That's because I am a rat. At least I'm a rat to my sister.
Boom.
That's crazy. That's crazy. You did not touch me. I can't move.
I'm over here and I flick tag you. Oh my god.
I can't move. I still can't move. That's crazy. That's crazy.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, 200?
It's
200
so very
box?
crazy, man.
200? 200 box? Oh my gosh. Box like a fish. Box
Why
like a
are
fish.
you yelling
no way you're
Fortnite
yelling
when
right
we're
now.
in Gorilla Tag?
I can still go fast.
I know he's gonna
Clipped,
tag me.
literally get clipped. Oh my gosh.
That's crazy because I
Only
didn't even try to
300,
get you.
Only 300.
I dropped my
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy because I'm not even going for you. Bro's full
Oh my
box in
gosh.
the
You're
air.
still down there acting like
Please
a
don't
4-year-old.
tag
Oh my
Remy the
gosh.
Ratatouille. Remy the Ratatouille lost his controller.
Oh my
Please
gosh.
don't
You're
tag
still
me.
up there. What are you doing? You need a nap?
Going
I'm
map,
up here,
I need
bro.
to see
What are
your
you
mom.
Don't
doing?
tag me.
You're down
Remy
there?
lost his controller.
I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground.
Stop.
I can still outrun you.
Is
I'm built different.
treat me like my
Ooh,
teeth.
quick gritty break
No, I know where the.
in the trees. Oh my gosh.
No, I can
I'm
mute
gonna spam
better.
report this kid.
What? You're gonna spam report me? It's called false reporting, buddy.
Eh.
It's called false reporting.
Where's my controller?
McButter.
Wait, talk again? Talk again?
What the heck? You know what? I found my controller. Wait, come here. Blue, come here. Hey, don't tag me.
That's crazy.
I
That's
showed Blue
crazy.
something.
My fucking. That's crazy.
Maybe you fucking suck.
That's crazy.
Oh,
That's
God,
crazy. I'm
no.
just eating the swat right now.
Blue, go to stump.
That's crazy. Crazy.
Bro, I'm being so toxic.
Yeah, probably because I just started an hour ago.
How do you have that many cosmetics if you started an hour ago? What
Crazy.
the heck?
Crazy, man. Crazy, man.
Oh bozo, Gritty
That's
Don.
cool.
74
don't
children
know.
in your basement still. OMG. Made that long jump. Oh my gosh.
Hold on, wait, Blue, where are you? Wait, Blue.
I
before
jumped
you go,
down,
come here.
grabbed
That's
paper,
crazy.
still
That's
gets
crazy.
you.
Because there's no way, bro.
L,
That's crazy.
L,
Nah, fuck this game, bro.
I'm not gonna tag you. I'm not gonna tag
Going
you.
up the tall tree. Because I'm too good. Too good?
Mhm.
Yeah, bro.
I had to get the lips. The video.
Bro left. Bro, I got him so good, he left. What? Okay. Okay, my Rizzy Glizzy.
Bye.
So have a good day, and chew your